So this question is account merge. So you give me the 2D array account, and the first index is represent the name, but the name is not unique. You can have multiple John, and what you should do is you want to find out if the you know if the person using the same email, they are considered the same user. So same user is the trick. So once you have this, and then when you want to return, you want to return with a if two accounts have the same name, um, then you want to combine all of the email together. So all of the email together and sort it by order and then return. So that's pretty much the explanation. So what you should do is you want to treat this email as a node, and then so you're gonna treat this email as a node. So this is a solution. So you're gonna say at this index, so I is currently equal to 0. So at this index, this email no one has been used, right? I just traverse. So I'm gonna say assign to index 0. And then this email, does this email has been used? No. So I assign to index 0. And then I'm up and then moving my pointer to index 1. And I'm checking, does the current email has been used? Yes, right? So if not been used, I'm going to say 1, right? But has been used, right? So what I need to do is I want to connect my index 0 to index 1. So at this moment, I know all of my email from index 0 and index 1 are connected. So when they want to return, literally I just have to remove the duplicate and then sort it by order and then return. And this one assigned to 2 has been used? No. This one assigned to 3 has been used? No. So that's pretty much the first step. And then the second step is take all of the email out and then sort it. So using a tree set would be easy. So sort it, tree set, and then this is a second step. The third step is convert the answer with the name. So at this moment, I'm just using the index for now. So I need to change all of the index, right? So zero index represent John, 1 index represent John as well. But at this moment, the second step has been combined together, so I don't need to worry about this, about the first one, because the 0 and first are the same, right? So the second one, Mary, Mary, and then third one will be the John again, but they are considered different John. And I just add it together, and then this will be the solution. So you will probably notice that if you are trying to connect index by index, this is a union find, and then technically just find your ancestor and then just find union if they are common. If there are no common, then you don't connect. So at this moment, you don't want to connect 1 and 2. So let's write about the union find. Int parents. So probably union find. I would take as the size of n. I would declare my parent and then traversing all the way to the last. So at the current moment, I'm just assign my I equal to I. So I'm point at myself. So 0 point at 0, 1 point at 1, 2 point at 2, 3 point at 3, something like this. But I will have the void union between two index, and I will have a function called find to find out where is my ancestor, right? If there is, then I will return. If not, then this will be what? This will be itself, right? So I need to break out. So I need to break out this. So I would say while x does not equal to parent x, and I'm just keep going up, right? When you keep going up, you just do this, and then you return parent x. But if you don't union, then this is not working. Union is technically breaking the law. I mean breaking the rule for this, right? So I'm say parent, the parent, and then this will be based on whatever your ancestor is. So find x will be equal to the same of y. So let's union find approach, and then I will have to start with my first step. Try to know my email has been used, and then this value will be the index. I'm just say email to index hash map, and I need to declare my union find UF new union find based on the size of the account. And then for in I equal to 0, I less than the size I plus plus. And then for current account, just say this. And then I will start with the email only. I don't care about the name, so I have to skip the first index. And then I will say string email is equal to account.get day, right? And then how do I know if the email has been used or not, right? So you're just using the email.index.put if absent, and then this will represent email at I. So if the email has not been added into the map, this will do it. If the email is in a map, this won't do anything. And then this index I will union with the index J, something. I mean, well, sorry, this index I, the previous index I will union with the current index I. So it's going to be email.get with I. So it has to be I. J is the pointer you traverse the email. The I is the key. You want to check is the current index can join together. So it's trying to assign. And then once this finished, and then I'm just create another map, and the integer is represent the index. So the index is going to be if they are union. If they are union, they have the same parent index for sure. So this will be the key, and then the value will be the tree set, and it has to take as the stream. So merge account equal to new hash map, and then I will traverse this map.entry string integer entry email to index entry set. Okay, so I was oh, do I do anything wrong? No. Okay, so I will get the email a key, then I will find out my index. It will be based on the union find based on the the integer, right? Which is going to be represent the index. That's entry.get value, right? And then I have this. So I have to do is I want to add all of the email together if they have the same parent index. So merge, and I do the compute if absent to declare my tree set. If there's no one declared, I will declare by default. Then I will add the email. I will add the email into the tree set. So I traverse, so every single email will point at the index, right? This is pretty straightforward, and yeah, that's it. All right. So once this is true, then I need to create a result. Oh, and I will have to traverse merge account, right? Taking this. I need to assign this to this. Okay. So this will be it, right? So I need to get the records from the from from the tree set, right? So new array list entry dot get value. Okay, so I get all of the email. However, I'm missing the name. How do I get a name? This is a index, right? Index represent the every single every single index represent what every single record in the input, and every single record in the input, the index 0 represent the username, right? So I would say string name will becomes the accounts. So it has to start with the accounts. Back to this guy, accounts.get based on the key, and then based on the index 0, and then I have every email ready. What I need to do is I want to add my name into index 0, and then result.add the records. So this will be the solution. Hopefully I don't make mistake. Oh, I do. So, oh, I still do. Where is it? New. Fine, it says. So let me look at this. So parent x, so then I go to find x, find y, and right here you get a sign. So the only thing they will do PLE, I believe, is the union find. The parent I are equal to I, find with a parent x, parent find y. Well, oh, this can be using the if. Okay, yeah, there's a problem. So I need to use if, not while, because if I keep using the while, this is already a recursion code, right? I don't need to traverse based on, I don't need to go through the recursion using a while loop. So yeah, this is a mistake. All right, so for the time and space, let me come here. So any union find that will represent, so like it's called disjoint set union, is still going to be the similar thing. Union find is going to be the same time and space complexity. So this will be the whole entire solution for it. Apologize for the mistake. But anyway, all right, see you.